In this video, you'll learn how to turn on Cloudflare under attack mode so you can quickly protect your site when it's experiencing suspicious or malicious traffic. Under attack mode is designed for situations like DDoS attacks or sudden waves of bad bots, and it adds an extra layer of screening before visitors can reach your website. I'll walk you through exactly what to do step by step and explain what's happening along the way so you know why each action matters. First, you'll need to sign in to your Cloudflare dashboard in your web browser. Use the same account you used when you originally set up your website with Cloudflare. It's a good idea to make sure you're logging in from a secure network, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that as well. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can see all of the domains connected to your account. Next, you need to choose the specific website that's under attack. On the main dashboard, you'll see a list of your domains. Click on the domain name that is currently having issues, such as slow loading, going offline intermittently, or receiving an unusually high amount of suspicious traffic. Selecting the correct domain is important because the protection you're about to enable will only apply to that particular site. After you've selected your domain, you'll be taken to the overview page. This is the first page you see for that domain, and it gives you a snapshot of your site's status, including traffic, security events, and basic configuration. Take a brief moment here to confirm you're on the right site by checking the domain name at the top of the page. When your site is actively being targeted, you might see unusual spikes in requests or errors in this area, which can reinforce that under attack mode is appropriate. On this overview page, look over to the right-hand side of the screen for the Quick Actions sidebar. This panel is designed to give you fast access to common tools you might need in an emergency, such as clearing the cache, pausing Cloudflare, or in our case, enabling extra protection. If you don't immediately see the sidebar, try scrolling slightly or widening your browser window to make sure it's fully visible. Within the Quick Actions section, locate the option labeled Under Attack Mode. This is a simple toggle switch. When it's turned off, your site is running with its usual protection settings. When you toggle it to on, Cloudflare will start challenging visitors with an additional layer of security checks, often a brief interstitial page, before letting them through to your site. Go ahead and click the toggle to turn under attack mode on. Once you've enabled it, give it a moment to take effect. The change is usually applied very quickly across Cloudflare's network. During this time, legitimate visitors may see a short verification page before they can access your content. This is normal and temporary, and it's a trade-off that helps block a large volume of malicious traffic during an active attack. After things calm down and your traffic looks normal again, remember that you can come back to this same Quick Actions sidebar and toggle under attack mode back off to restore the regular experience for your users. That's all you need to do by signing in, selecting the affected domain, going to the overview page, and using the Quick Actions sidebar to switch under attack mode on. You can quickly harden your site's defenses when it matters most.